In this age of social media, it's easy to fret if your efforts don't receive recognition or publicity. But realize that the Almighty's protecting your sincerity and your work from corruption. Remember, He loves deeds that are small and consistent, so don't shortchange yourself. When the Almighty wills something, nothing can stop it from happening. We should submit to Him and not question it. So, don't get disheartened if you're not married or with children yet. You may not be where you want to be. You're exactly where He wants you to be. Your value as a person does not come from the material things in life. You always have something of value to offer the world, and you don't need anyone else's validation to know this. So don't compare yourself to your friends. Be happy for them whatever their situation may be. Don't expect perfection in this life. The mess-ups, the delays, the heartbreaks, the things you don't understand, they're all part of the Almighty's plan for you. He's worked out every detail in each chapter of your life. Your job is to bear good patience as you go through it. Realize that you cannot control other people. You can't force them to do what they don't want to do. The only person you can control is you. So don't let their behavior and what they do upset you. Your worrying, obsessing, venting, etc., has zero impact on them. It only hurts you. Never let anybody steal your happiness. Never let anyone keep you from seeing and sharing goodness with those around you. Never let someone's hurtful words or actions wound you so deeply that you feel crippled and unable to forgive them. Let it go. Keep your focus. Rise above it all. What they did to you wasn't about you. Understand that and stop thinking that you did them wrong. It was about unresolved issues within themselves. It's really not about you at all. It is about them and what's inside them coming out and projecting onto you. So don't take it personally. Quit relying on people. They'll only let you down. Today, they're your friend, tomorrow, they could be your enemy. Now, they approve of you, the next minute they don't. It's all about their whims and fancies. Rely on the Almighty. He's all you need. Regrets, mistakes, failures are all part of life. Do yourself a favor and don't dwell on them. Learn the lessons they're meant to teach you and move on. Life's too short to be crying over what didn't work out. The Almighty's giving you another opportunity. Don't waste it. Difficulty is somewhat like darkness. When you can't understand what's going on, you're lost, in pain, and you feel the whole world closing in on you. That's the time when you have to lay complete trust in the Almighty. Have faith in Him. Bear good patience and He will rescue you.